What's up, everyone? Time to take a look at the crypto market here, give you a quick update. So yesterday I tweeted about how we wanted to see a move above. Oh, yeah. All right. Yesterday I sent out a tweet and I also posted in the community about Bitcoin, how I wanted to see Bitcoin push above the 69k region, which is this blue zone right here, and we can now see that we have that good looking break of market structure with the low. So that's a higher low. We got that low and then a higher low, and we have the lower highs here, and now we're pushing up to create a higher high, and you can kind of see this nice little structure that we have here. Not really sure if this has a name. Maybe this is some sort of Quasimodo. I'm not really sure. I gotta look that up. But anyway, this is a great looking pattern right here and great looking price action for Bitcoin. It's looking very, very bullish. We have now closed a we have a open and close, a daily open and close above the daily 20 EMA. So we had the first open here and then that closed, and that daily candle also closed above 69k. So yeah, we do have a very good looking reclaim of this level, and I do think we have a move higher. And yeah, yeah, so I put the target for this move, I put it at 1 million, which gives us a 150 R trade. It's obviously not supposed to be 1 million, it's supposed to be 100k. That's a 5R move here on Bitcoin, and I'm actually thinking that, you know what, this looks like a pretty solid move for Bitcoin. What I want to see here is perhaps a deeper retrace into this area, but you know, Bitcoin, you might never get that. Like Bitcoin, you know how Bitcoin really likes to surprise. It likes to do the absolute opposite of what you think it will do. So maybe, you know, maybe this is just a retest, you know. But can I enter at market here? Not really sure. Having that stop loss, it's gonna be like a 3.5R trade. Yes, I can probably have my stop loss down in this region or down below the daily 20 EMA and kind of trail it up with the daily 20. That's also, of course, an option, but I do think that if you do enter here and have that stop loss below the daily 20 EMA, at least make sure that you're okay with price going down to like the weekly open, and perhaps scale your orders in down to the weekly open level. I think that is a good option. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Now let's take a quick look at the positions we have open in the community. By the way, if you are new to the channel, we got the community is free. All you have to do is just click the link in the description below, and it will take you to the WAP page where you will be able to get the RLZ trading room product completely free, and you will gain access to the Discord server. And don't forget to sign up to Prime XPT. You also have the link in the description. If you sign up with my link to Prime XPT, you will be able to gain free access to the RLZ slingshot indicator, which is the indicator I have on the screen right here, which also gives you long and buy signals, buy and sell signals. Like right now, for example, you get a possible buy signals triggering on Cardano. So it's a very interesting indicator. I've used this indicator for all my trading, so make sure you check the link in the description. And speaking of link in the description, I actually have a exclusive 10% discount link on the Fivers prop firm. So if you don't know, I also work for the Fivers prop firm, a funding firm called the Fivers, and I have a special discount link for you guys. You can get 10% discount on all their programs. All right, so Cardano here in pretty decent profits. We're going to switch to the weekly because all of these setups are actually based on the weekly. If we break above that high right there, I'm going to just put a level right here like that. I'm going to mark it, and I'm going to type move stops up, because if we do break out here, I think we can start moving. And because this, if you're trading spot, obviously now you're probably not going to be using a stop loss. You're probably going to have this on your Ledger or Tesos, I can't even remember the name of that other wallet. You're probably going to have it in cold storage if you're trading spot, but I'm trading this on leverage on Prime Expertise, so I will have to move my stops up to make sure that I don't get completely wrecked and lock in some of that profit. So Cardano looking quite good. Then we have Algo. Oof, Algo looking really, really nice. Good profit on Algo right here, looking very good. I'm going to put in a level right here on Algo. So if we break that one, we're going to be moving stops up on this one as well. Ooh, look at Sand. This is lovely. Very, very nice. Currently, now this is 11 hour trade right here. Absolutely crazy. Let's see. How much are we up on this one? 20, about 30%, and I'm 2x leverage on that one, so I should be 60% in profit on my position on that one. I'm gonna put in a level here as well to move stops up if it happens. Mana, it says 11 on trade on this one as well, looking very, very good. Hopefully we can break above these levels here so we can move stops to entry. EOS is another one, not as high risk to reward on this one, but good market structure in this one. We got that break and retest, hit up the reload zone here, looking good. This one's looking good as well. And then we have Teslas. I believe this is Teslas. I gotta look that up. XT said Teslas. Yeah, I think so. This one looking good as well. Now, interesting here will be Phil and VShain, because those are very risky setups with tighter stop loss. I mean, look at that. That's a 28R setup right here. 28R. We're risking 18% to gain over 500%. So it's going to be very interesting to see if this breaks out. That would put me in a very big profit on the Filecoin. And then VShain, same thing with VShain. This is an 8R trade, tighter stop loss than the other ones. I'm going to be moving stops when it breaks that high as well. Now, to the last three here, I don't have any positions on Atom, AXS, or DOT because the orders, the entry orders never filled. So I do have 3 positions open to enter, if you will, and I'm thinking I might take the capital that I meant to enter into Atom and AXS as well as DOT, and perhaps take that into Bitcoin and take that and enter a long position on Bitcoin, where I might be averaging into a position here. So that's 100K going to be the target. You know what, let's just put it at 99999, because why not? You know what, let's put it at probably 99876. Yeah, good, perfect. 4. Let's do 4. Okay, so maybe put some limit orders into this region here down to the weekly open. So perhaps divide it up into 5 different positions. You can see the entry order tool right here, or that's just the fib tool. Divide it up into 5 different positions, and the average entry would be then 68,660, around that area. And I could then have my stop loss all the way down here, and that would be a 4.6R trade. I think that's something I'm probably going to be doing. Looking at the daily, I think this definitely looks good, and yeah, I think that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be posting that setup in the community. All right, so that's my thoughts on the overall crypto market. It's looking stupid bullish right now, and I hope you guys are in all of these positions like I am, and I did post all of these setups in the community. So make sure, if you're not in, join the community. There's going to be more setups coming out as soon as I see something lining up. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.